So this is my Stitch Fix for this month. I'm wearing the top that came in there. I actually didn't think I was going to really like it, but I kind of do. It's really cute. It's not as frumpy as I thought it was going to be. When I saw this originally, I was worried about it. And then these are the jeans that are in there as well. They fit pretty good. They're a skinny jean, and they're pretty cute. The bomber jacket, it's like a puffer style material bomber jacket. So let's see here. It's an extra small, and so it's a little bit tight on me. I can still wear it, but it's, if I was in a store, I might, if I keep it, I might actually just exchange it for a small. I wouldn't go as high as a medium, but I think the extra small, just so I have more room to zip up if I was cold. But it's kind of thin, and I do like it, so that came in there. And it's Renata knit dress. It is really cute, I think, up in this area here, but it's one of these like kind of flowy dresses, so it can, I don't know, sometimes I think it looks a little too frumpy for me, but it's kind of cute and it's really comfortable. So that came in there. It's like a really stretchy material. It's kind of fitted in here with an elastic band, and then just kind of a baggy look all around. And it's cute. I kind of like it. And I'm kind of short, so I would have to have it altered, I think, for sure. But other than that, it is kind of cute. It's really, again, another comfortable one. But usually I like my stuff a little more body conscious. And this Stitch Fix, they didn't necessarily hit the mark on that with a couple of frumpy things. They're still cute, but anyway, I've got some decisions to make, and we'll see what happens. Today, I think I'm going to keep this Ruffle shirt and the sort of frumpy, comfortable dress, because it's a great dress like for traveling in the car, or a breakfast dress if you're on vacation, or lounging around, you know, and stuff like that. So I think that's what I'm going to do, and I'll post the, what do you call it, the clothing company names and stuff below in case you did like something that just didn't fit me or that wasn't the right look for me. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel.